Welcome people, it's your girl Krissy and I'm back at it with another video, and this is how I do my mini twist, which is a very good protective hairstyle if you don't want to deal with your hair for a while. And that's exactly what I wanted to do. I wanted to try something new. At first I wasn't going to do a tutorial of this, to be honest, but since it was my first time, I was like, you know what, why not record and show you guys my process? So this is what's going on. But pretty much I did dye my hair red, so if you haven't seen that video, I'll definitely link it in this video, so you guys can go and check it out to see how I got the color. And that's what I'm gonna be rocking for right now. So pretty much what I'm gonna be doing is mini twists. They're not all the same sizes. Some size is bigger and some sizes smaller, I guess. I don't know, it's all over the place, but I think it came out super cute. The parting at the back is not so straight, but it's at the back, it's doable. After I looked at it, the parts were okay. I didn't really have anyone to help me like that. But pretty much what I did was I used some edge tamer, and the edge tamer that I had with me was the touchdown edge tamer, which was the blue one, I believe. And then to kind of just like moisturize my hair and help curl it in case I want to like undo my twist to get like a little curl, I did go in with the Cantu coconut curling cream, I believe. It's a like legit OG. I don't really use it as much anymore, but I'm at my boyfriend's house and he's like a Cantu lover, so that's what he had in his little stash. So these were the products that I pretty much mainly used. So I just applied the edge tamer to the root of my hair a little bit, and then I applied a little bit of the curling cream to the rest of my hair, and then I pretty much just twisted it out. I did not stretch my hair. I just literally washed my hair, detangled it, and then started twisting because I didn't know what I wanted to do with my hair. And I always saw these cute little mini twists and I was like, why not rock these for a while, because I've just been wearing ponytails for like a month now. So this was something new and I wanted to share it with you guys, and I think it came out super cute. I think it probably would have been even better if I had actually stretched it, but I think it's super cute, and I'll probably be back next week showing you guys how I wear, you know, this mini twist or these mini twists. But I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as well as click that bell button so you can get notified every time I post a video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to stay positive and life surprise you, because it will anyways. It's your girl Krissy and I'm signing out, but stay until the end of this video. If you need anything else, just check the description box below. If I did forget anything, it'll be in the description box. But thank you guys so much, and come on guys, let's try to get to 5K subbies. All right, love you guys. Mwah.